Austria's winter sports industry is among the best in the world. The Alps shape Austria and have inspired generations of enthusiasts to make the best out of the beautiful and powerful natural conditions. Austrian companies are technological pioneers when we talk about winter sports infrastructure, from planning of winter tourism hotspots to roadways and cable cars running on renewable energy to the hospitality sector. You find passionate people who are obsessive about quality.
In Austria, we have a big experience and a long tradition in winter sport. This experience and our mindset is the key to our success.
The athletes who travel abroad are our ambassadors number one. They represent the sports sector skiing and the skiing industry in Austria. And we are counting on the innovation skills of Austrian businesses so that we can stay number one in competitions.
The first solar energy-powered chairlift for skiing, installed in Austria. Every second ski sold worldwide has Austria inside. The mindset is innovation-driven and the reason Austria is so successful in winter sports.